What's up, you guys? Welcome back to our channel. All right, today we're going to be doing a gym workout routine that focuses on most of our muscle groups. Let's go.
No, there ain't no stopping us.
Alright, you guys, so the first thing that we're going to be doing is a little bit of cardio. I technically do about 5 minutes, get that heart rate up, get yourself ready.
Be a shooting star. Let 'em know you are flying up in a bar. Wish on a star. Time to show 'em who's in charge.
Alright, so first we're going to be focusing on our back. Okay, if you ladies don't know, that's important. If you want to get that hourglass shape, get your back right. So the first exercise is going to be bent over rows. You're going to do 3 sets of 60 seconds. And trust me, it is harder than it looks.
I said I'm moving too far. Get to glass. You're looking at a shooting star. Got more than a couple of people going mad. I swear they're rooting hard. Tell them I'd be big in a game like she went and got.
Alright, so the next area that we're going to be focusing on is our triceps. Alright, so one of the exercises that we're going to do that focuses on the triceps is the overhead extension.
Yes, the flaunt. We on, hating because you want. Shining like it's neon. Rock like kings of Leon. Shooting stars across the galaxy. I stand out, so don't be mad at me. Infiltrate, I'm with my strategy. When I turn up, they might just have to leave. Shooting stars across the galaxy. I stand out, so don't be mad at me. Infiltrate, I'm with my strategy. When I turn up, they might just have to leave. Shooting. Shoot.
Okay, before we get into our actual glute exercises, you want to make sure that you activate the glutes. You got to warm that booty up before she's hot and ready.
Shooting stars. Didn't even get to cross. I said I'm moving too far. Get to glass.
Okay, so our first actual glute exercise is going to be the kneel to squat jump. Okay, so when you approach this exercise, do it with caution because sis, it's not a joke.
I said I'm moving too far. Get to glass.
At this point, your booty should be burning. If it's not, do it again. Alright ladies, for all of you who are wanting to work on your hip dips, Try this exercise out. We're going to be doing hip abductions with a plate. Trust me, you are going to feel the burn.
Shooting stars, shooting stars. Didn't even get to cross.
Last but not least, we got to work those abs. Don't forget about your core, ladies. It's really important. So we're going to do 3 sets, 10 each of frog kicks. Alright, we got one more ab exercise, sis. Don't give up, okay? Let's go.
Didn't get to cross. I said I'm moving too far. Get to glass.